On behalf of Ohio's 1,350 dairy farm families, the American Dairy Association Mideast welcomes you to the Dairy Products Building, home of the famous butter cow and calf.
As you can hear from the construction going on, this year's theme only seemed fitting that we asked fairgoers to pardon our dust.
Yes, there are major renovations underway across the fairgrounds, including here in the historic Dairy Products Building.
The Dairy Products Building is estimated to have been completed in 1925, so it's about a century old and long overdue for a makeover. In the butter cooler this year, you'll find the iconic butter cow and calf wearing butter hard hats, as well as 3 construction workers, one using a jackhammer, one on a walkie-talkie, and one looking at blueprints. You'll also find scaffolding, cones, and sawhorses, all made of butter.
Sculptors worked inside a 46-degree cooler for about 335 of the 400 hours it took to complete the display, which was formed from approximately 2,000 pounds of butter donated in part by dairy farmers of America.
We start with a plan and we build the armatures. So this year there's a lot of construction going on around the dairy building, so we're mimicking that construction inside the cooler.
From 55-pound blocks, the butter is layered on the frames. The butter is nice and soft when it starts out.
Then as it sits in the cooler and cools down, then it becomes hard and carvable.
After many hours of molding and smoothing the butter, each sculpture begins to take shape. The butter display is sponsored by the American Dairy Association Mideast, who commissions a group of sculptors to create the masterpiece.
I look forward to it every year. We have a team of renowned sculptors. We call them the Butter Bunch.
The Butter Bunch includes lead sculptor Paul Brook of Cincinnati, Tammy Burke of Oregonia, Aaron Byram of Columbus, Matt Davidson, a dairy farmer from Sydney, Joe Metzler of Hamilton, and Gabriella Schmidt of Akron. The Butter Cow display at the Ohio State Fair attracts more than 500,000 visitors each summer and continues to be one of the most loved traditions at the fair. Most recent Butter Cow displays honored our nation's elite athletes, Ohio's rich history of innovation, the fair's agricultural heritage, and the 50th anniversary of the moon landing. Other Butter Cow displays have included a tribute to A Christmas Story, a larger-than-life bottle of chocolate milk, the official beverage of the Ohio High School Athletic Association, a tribute to our state's symbols, a salute to the 50th anniversary of the All-Ohio State Fair Youth Choir and its founder, and a tribute to our state capitol's bicentennial. Ohio sports teams, including the Ohio State Buckeyes, the Cleveland Cavs, the Cleveland Browns, the Cincinnati Bengals, and the Columbus Crew have also been honored in butter, as well as several well-known Ohio personalities like Jack Hanna and Dave Thomas, and several historical figures like aviators Orville and Wilbur Wright, and Ohio's U.S. presidents. Many more have paid tribute to the commitment of Ohio's dairy community. The American Dairy Association Mideast thanks you for visiting. And of course, pardon our dust while we are moving things around.
Some of the renovations that will be taking place in the Dairy Products Building is a larger kitchen, an improved service area, new amenities, and air conditioning.
Come back next year to experience all the improvements. We'll be bigger and butter in 2026.